Hi there! Check out this 63 by 24 inch standing desk with an adjustable height and splice board design. It features a spacious solid wood tabletop that can easily fit 4 monitors, a laptop, keyboard, and other work essentials. The desk frame is solid and electric, supporting up to 176 pounds with a quiet motor running under 53 decibels. You can adjust the height from 28 to 45 inches using the controller with 3 memory presets for convenience. Safety is enhanced with an anti-collision function and a child lock to prevent accidental movement. The unit also allows you to switch between inches and centimeters for easy measurement. Assembly is straightforward with included tools and instructions, ensuring a smooth setup experience. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.